Hi, welcome to GATE eGnan classes for first year degree students. We were discussing about question tags and we stopped in our previous class while discussing about helping verbs or auxiliary verbs. Let's see what are helping verbs or auxiliary verbs. See, we are discussing about question tags and auxiliary verbs are also called helping verbs, and these are 24 in number because if the statement is given, if you want to put a tag question, we need to identify in a statement helping verb or auxiliary verb. So with the help of question tags or auxiliary verb, so we can put a or we can frame a question tag. That's why so it is also important to learn about helping verbs or auxiliary verbs. So these are 24 and these can be classified basically two types. They are primary verbs and the second one is main verbs, right? So again, these primary verbs can be classified into be forms, do forms and have forms. So every be form, do form and have form have present tense and past tense will be there. So am, is, are the present tense of be forms. So was and were are the past tense for be forms, and do forms. Do and does are the present form of the do forms, and did is the past form of do form verb. And finally, have and has are present form of the have forms, and had is the past form of have forms. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So primary verbs are 11 and rest of 13 are main verbs. Again main verb, so we can see main verbs are also in present tense and past tense. So of course we all know, so will, would, so will is the present tense and would is the past tense. Shall, should, can, could, may, might, must, need to, used to, dare to, ought to are the main verbs. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So these are the main verbs, and totally auxiliary verbs are helping verbs are 24. So if we want to identify or if we want to frame a question tag, so first of all, so majority of these helping verbs or auxiliary verbs are required. That's why so we discussed it here. So and let's move to rules for framing question tags. Okay, rules for framing question tags. Of course, so there are 10 to 13 rules are there for framing question tags in English. And the first rule is, so if the statement is positive, the tag question should be negative, or if the statement is negative, the tag question should be positive. That is the first rule. Let's see, for example, they are students. So they are students. The statement is positive because in the statement we don't have not. That's why this is positive statement. So if the statement is positive, tag should be negative. That's why in this statement are is the helping verb. So that are, and if you add not, aren't, and the pronoun is they, aren't they? And at the same time, if the statement is negative, the tag question should be positive. Say for example, we are having not in the statement, that's why this is a negative statement. So that tag should be positive. So while we are framing tag question, so we need to remove not. And so is he? So that is the first rule. They are students, aren't they? He is not a student. Is he? At the same time, let's see some more examples. See. They were thieves once. Right. So this is positive statement. That's why weren't they is the tag question. And she was not an employee. So wasn't she is the question tag. So among four statements, so we can know that if the statement is positive, tag should be negative. If the statement is negative, tag should be positive. This is the first rule, right? And let's see the second rule. Second rule. So I told you that when the statement was given, so if you want to frame a question tag, so we can see first either the statement have helping verb or not. If the statement was given, so we should proceed with the helping verb. So what else? If the sentence has no helping verb beneath, so that is the second rule. Say for example, she likes coffee. See, she likes coffee is the statement. Of course, this is positive statement. So, in this statement, we don't have helping verb, any helping verb. So that instead of helping verb, so secondly, we have to take the statement's main verb. So likes is the main verb here. So with the help of main verb, so we should frame this question tag. Like the main verb in the statement will be V1, will be in the V1. So do. So we should start with the do. Or if the main verb of the statement consists V1 with S or ES, so its main verb should be the does. And if the main verb consists V2 or V3, so did is the main verb while we frame the tag question, right? So V1, so V1 defines do, V1 which has S or ES does, V2 or V3, for V1, V2 or V3 did has to come in the tag question. So that's why she likes coffee. Here main verb is yes tag, so consists here V1 with yes or ES, so that does requires here. So also the statement is positive, that's why tag should be negative, so we have to add not. Doesn't she? Right. And take one more example. We came yesterday. We came yesterday. And in this statement, so came is the main verb and came is in verb 2 form. V2. Come, came, come. That's why the tag should be starts with the did. And already the statement is positive, so not also add. So didn't we is the tag question. Fine. And the build a house. The build a house. So this is also a positive sentence. The build a house. So this statement, so main verb is a build. So the build is in V1 form, which means verb 1. So that the tag should start with the do. And this is also positive, that's why not has to add. Don't they? So like this, if a statement do not consist helping verb, so we can take the main verb of the sentence and we should follow. So like this, if the verb main verb will come with V1 with S or ES, so we have to add does, or with V2 we have to add did, and with V1 we have to add don't in the tag question. Is the second rule, right? And the third rule is see, I am a lecturer. So the tag should be aren't I? Right. And I'm not a businessman. Am I? So no more examples required for this rule. So if the main statement consists with am or am not. So if a statement with am, that should be aren't I. If the statement with am not, tag question should be am I. So this is the general rule. So the rule has no more explanations. That's why it is enough for this rule. Right. This is third rule. And fourth rule. So we discussed in the first rule, if a statement is a positive, tag should be negative, or a statement is a negative, tag should be positive. See, I told you that if a statement do not have not, it is a positive sentence, or if a statement adds negative, it is a if a statement adds not, it is considered as negative sentence. But some of the sentences may not have not or some other words, so which contains negative sense of meaning. So in such sentences, we need to follow some sense of meaning and writing of the or preparation of the question tag. Let's see. So nobody entered in the room. So this is a statement. But the statement doesn't consist not. So this is may not the statement has no not, but we do not consider it is a positive or negative. See, some of the sentences like nobody, nothing, seldom, never, like sentences are meant negative or semi-negative words. So, nothing, nobody, never, ever, seldom, hardly, rarely. So these types of words are called semi-negative words. So any of these words that we can find in any statement, that statement should consider negative statement, right? So any of these statement, if you find it in any statement, that statement should be considered as negative sense sentence. See, nobody entered in the room, which means, say, so nobody. So there is no fellow in the room. So nobody entered in the room, which means, so the sentence consists negative sense of meaning. That's why. So already, so the statement is negative because here the sentence is adding nobody. That's why we should frame the tag question with positively, right? So here, so having no of the any helping verb in the statement, so we have to move to entered is the main verb. So main verb is in the second form, which means V2, verb 2. So I told you that if the statement with V2, so the tag question should start with the did, and already the statement is with the negative sense. That's why tag action should be positive sense. So, did they is the question tag, right? Because the statement consists negative sense because of nobody, like any of these words, right? So, in our next class, so we will discuss so in detail of this rule and remaining rules. Thank you.